Hi there, this is Atharva. Today I will be showing you how I made this automatic water tap. See, there are two sensors. I will try to focus. Yes. See, that is one. Let me turn it off first, so it doesn't accidentally turn on. Yeah. It is a bit hard to show that. Yeah. This one is the receiver, black one, and this one is the transmitter. This. What it does that this white one transmit infrared rays, and the black one here catches it. When there is an object, it reflects those waves, and the transmitter sends it and the receiver receives it. But when there is no object, the rays continuously go towards when there is no object. But when there is an object, the waves come here and then reflect back. This is how the sensor knows that there is an object and to turn on the water. Let me show you a demo. First we turn on the switch. Current goes from here. Don't touch it. If you make it, don't touch it here and we'll seal it, because there is 220 volt DC and there is a possibility of shock hazard. I am going to seal it with some tape, electrical tape, so that it doesn't shock me or anyone. So wait a minute, let it focus. Yes, see, when I put my hand here, the water should flow. See, the noise which you heard, because of this design. When water stops, it flows downwards due to gravity, and its fins, see, like that. When it stops, it flows there. See, one small time. See, there floats it. Because of that, it turns on and off rapidly. See, here the noise. The water is controlled by this switch. It's a bit leaking here. No problem, that I will tight it. This is the main inlet tap. Water flows from here, there, and into this wall. Let me try to focus it. Yes. This wall is called the solenoid wall. It is a coil, and inside it there is a magnetic object or wall, which opens when you apply electric current to it. It is 12 volt DC wall, so when you apply 12 volt to it, it opens the solenoid plunger inside and allows the water to flow. See, like this. When I put my hand, water flows from here and stops. And here are the sensor wires, 3 wires, positive, negative and signal, that goes into this module. We have 2 indication LEDs, one is power and one is output. The red one is the power here, and the green should turn on when I put my hand. See, it is not too powerful, but it is a small bit. Here is the main supply transformer for the solenoid, and this is the main DC power supply for all the control electronics. So let me wash my hands. See, when I put my hand, the water starts going. I am not touching the wall or anything. See, it is not fake. Just when I remove my hand, it stops. Put my hand, starts. Stop. Start. Start. Stop. Start. Stop. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah.